If you've ever dreamed of ditching the traditional lifestyle in favor of endless road trips, breathtaking views, and true off-grid living, then let us introduce you to a camper van that's built to make that dream a reality. Meet the MAV, a rugged, beautifully crafted, all-wheel drive camper van built on a 2025 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, engineered and converted by the expert hands at Tommy Camper Vans and Adventure Trucks LLC in Phoenix, Arizona. More than just a vehicle, the MAV is a rolling home that perfectly blends comfort, style, and self-sufficiency, making it ideal for everything from quick weekend escapes to full-blown boondocking in the wilderness. With its powerful base, high-end conversion, and thoughtful design, this van has something for every adventurer, whether you're a seasoned van lifer or just beginning to explore the road less traveled. On the outside, the MAV makes a strong first impression. The 2025 Sprinter has been fitted with Tommy Camper Van's Off-Road Adventure Package, which includes a suspension lift kit and all-terrain tires, ideal for tackling everything from rocky mountain passes to muddy forest trails. The clean white body is accented by an aluminum roof rack, perfect for extra gear, rooftop lounging, or even nighttime stargazing. A ladder and spare tire carrier are mounted on the rear, and the off-road light package ensures maximum visibility during late-night drives or remote camping sessions. One standout feature is the exterior heated shower, perfect for rinsing off after a day of hiking, swimming, or mountain biking. Small touches like this make a big difference when you're off-grid. Step inside, and the MAV immediately feels like home. The handcrafted interior is a nature-inspired sanctuary, combining knotty pine walls, white shiplap ceilings, and hard maple cabinetry with walnut butcher block countertops. This mix of organic textures gives the space a warm, inviting atmosphere without compromising on function. The open-plan layout features clearly defined zones for cooking, dining, lounging, and sleeping, creating a harmonious flow that feels spacious and cozy at the same time. The swivel front seats pair with a hardwood leg-in table to form a perfect work-from-anywhere office or a place to unwind with a meal. The kitchen is compact but fully equipped for van life. You get a double induction stove, overhead microwave, deep sink with gooseneck faucet, and an isotherm 130 stainless steel fridge that's smartly accessible from both inside and outside the van. Storage is ample, thoughtfully built into overhead cabinets, a reinforced bench seat with seatbelts, and even underbed compartments in the rear garage area. Speaking of sleeping, the MAV offers a fixed double bed nestled at the back of the van. It's supported by storage boxes that house both the electrical and water systems, including a 200 Victron lithium battery, 3000W inverter, and a DC to DC charger, all of which ensure off-grid reliability. But that's not all. The MAV includes an interior shower with waterproof walls, a sliding door, and a cassette toilet, providing you with all the comforts of home even when you're miles from civilization. Everything inside the MAV is designed to enhance the van life experience, beautiful yet practical, rugged yet refined. From the headliner shelf above the cab to the large picture window that brings the outdoors in. This van has been built with care and precision. Currently listed for sale on Van Life Trader, the MAV represents the next step for anyone looking to dive into full-time van living or just take their camping adventures to the next level. It's a turnkey home on wheels, built to chase sunsets, explore wild landscapes, and embrace freedom.